In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop with a 14-day trial of the business plan. This will give you full access to all the powerful features Photoshop has to offer. First, click the link in this video's description. It will take you to Adobe's business trial page for Photoshop. Once you're there, select the business plan option. This unlocks all the pro-level features of Photoshop, plus extra tools for collaboration and team sharing. You get the full version during the trial, no limits at all. Now, choose the payment plan that suits you. If you prefer flexibility, go with the monthly plan. You can cancel at any time. If you know you'll be using Photoshop long-term, the yearly plan saves you more each month. You'll need to log in or create a free Adobe account. Adobe will ask for a payment method to start the trial, but rest assured, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 14 days are up. Set a reminder to cancel if you don't want to continue. After signing up, Adobe will guide you through downloading the Creative Cloud app. From there, search for Photoshop, click Install, and you're good to go. The installation is a breeze and should only take a few minutes. And that's it. You've now got 2 full weeks to explore Photoshop. Try out all its advanced editing, retouching, and graphic design tools. Remember, this is a completely risk-free trial, so you can delve into the software without any worries. Before you leave, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter. You'll get exclusive discount codes, the latest tech news, and early access to the best tools and software updates. The link to sign up is below this video. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more software tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy working with Photoshop.